How to change currency on Booking.com app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Booking.com app. Click on My Account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Also, make sure you've logged into your account. Then in here, scroll down. Scroll down till you find Device Preferences. Click on Device Preferences and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Currency. In currency, you will find all the currency. You can also search by clicking on search for currency. Simply select the currency you prefer and then you're good to go. After that, you can simply search any places and the currency you choose will pop up. As you can see, in my case, I chose US dollar, so it is showing me in US dollar. And this is how to change currency on Booking.com app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.